Okay, turned off. Yeah. Explain over here what happened in your car.
So what was happening was we were keep on burning the ECU. ECU's right there. We kept on burning it. This cars usually have the charging system and the ECU complete with it. It's not separate. So what we end up doing was we bought this external voltage meter. Basically,
How much did you pay on the Amazon?
so you can usually get these in Amazon for about like $20 to $30. They have different ones. I just got the basic one. And you obviously have to buy with the connectors and all that stuff. We bought the. It gives you this diagram every single time you buy it. I got the. I actually got the this ones. So for the fuses and all that stuff, what he ended up doing was he actually did a relay on the
Positive of the coil.
positive of the coil. So what this does is actually turns on the whole system, so it doesn't drain your battery. But if so you can see here how he did it to do all the connection to the external meter. He did all that. It's actually a really simple process if you do know obviously all the wiring diagram. Again, that's all the diagram that it gives you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.